Hello everyone, welcome to Tool Junkie. When it comes to buying the right tools, there's a lot to look out for. That's why today we're going to review the 5 best models for you. And we've ranked them by many different factors such as product features, price, performance, and more. Make sure to check the product links in the description for more information. Let's get started with the video.
Here we present the 5 best receipt scanner. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Brother DS940DW. The ultra-compact Brother DS940DW scanner measures just 12.6 by 2.5 by 1.8 inches and weighs 1.5 pounds, making it the perfect size to slip into a laptop bag or backpack. With single-pass duplex scanning and speeds of up to 16 pages per minute, ppm, you can tackle order forms and sales receipts in no time. You can also scan receipts up to 72 inches in length at 600 dpi, great for warranty and returns paperwork. Along with a built-in battery, the scanner includes a USB 3.0 cable for a hardwired connection when needed. Number 2. Brother DS640. One of the best mobile scanners available, the Brother DS640 measures in at 11.8 by 2.2 by 1.4 inches and weighs just over 1 pound. It scans up to 16 ppm in both color and black and white and can scan to file locations, email, or cloud storage services for easy organization. The included USB 3.0 cable connects the scanner to your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux-based computer for file transfers and power. With 1200 dpi resolution, you can scan receipts up to 72 inches long, warranty and contract paperwork, and even business and ID cards with excellent clarity and detail. Number 3. Epson Workforce S50. Compact and lightweight, the Epson Workforce S50 is another excellent option for traveling professionals. It can scan single pages in as little as 5.5 seconds and up to 10 ppm, quickly tackling contracts, receipts, and other documents easily. While you have to manually feed in single sheets, the scanner has an auto-feed function that keeps the rollers moving as you feed in paper to scan multiple pages to a single PDF, Word document, or Excel sheet. It also uses a USB 3.0 cable to connect to your Windows or Mac OS laptop. Number 4. Raven Pro Document Scanner. The Raven Pro Document Scanner can scan up to 60 ppm and has a 100-sheet automatic feeder, as well as built-in anti-jam technology. The 8-inch touchscreen lets you choose a resolution from 200 to 600 dpi, select single or duplex scanning, scan in color, grayscale, or black and white, and choose a location to scan your document to. You can even name and organize documents on the scanner. With built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, you can scan receipts to fax, email, USB memory storage, or cloud storage services without a computer. Number 5. Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i. At 15.8 by 7.8 by 5.8 inches, the Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i makes for a great compact desk scanner. It features a 10-sheet automatic document feeder that can handle receipts and other paperwork up to 34 inches long and scans in color, grayscale, and black and white up to 12 ppm. Single-pass duplex scanning lets you send two-sided documents to specific file locations, email, cloud services, or USB memory storage devices. You can even convert scanned images into editable and searchable PDF, Word, and Excel files. This receipt scanner has a 600 dpi optical resolution for crisp, clean text and accurate colors.
We have included the product links in the description below for more details. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.